Hello and welcome back to Data Simplified, and today we're going to be exploring the SUMIF function. Why might you want to use the SUMIF function? Well, there could be a variety of reasons, but as within today's example, you may work for a clothing manufacturer and you may want to sum all the order values where the order quantity is 5. So for our fictional company of Data Simplified Clothing, we have this fictional data which contains order number, age of the customer, category of the clothing item, order value and order quantity. So as always, I'm going to do my calculations at the bottom because I prefer to, but you can use any cell in the spreadsheet that you would like. So equals SUMIF, open bracket, and this is the bit where we need to tell Excel where to look for the value we want it to find. So we want to sum the values if the quantity is 5, so therefore we need to look in the quantity column for values of 5. So then the criteria, or in this case it'd be 5 because it's looking in the quantity column for the value of 5, which is what we want to know the total sum of the order values for. And then finally, what range we want it to sum. We want it to sum the range of order values when they equal 5. So we'll select all of the order values so that Excel can work out for us when the ones are there that equal 5. And if you hit enter, you then get £903.92. And that is the total order value for all orders where the quantity is 5. Thank you for watching.